key unlock. Mrs. Jocelyn is getting slimed. Mrs. Baker and Mrs. Baloo are getting slimed. Mrs. Drill and Mrs. Tewksbury are getting slimed. Mr. Zeta is getting slimed. Mrs. Stefan is getting slimed. Mr. McCullough is definitely getting slimed. We are able to reveal another teacher who's getting slimed. The teacher who's getting slimed will be Mrs. Adams' class. So yeah, I'd say they're pretty excited. But that's not all. Mrs. Bloom is getting slimed. And the entire 5th grade team, they're getting slimed. And are you sure you want to do this? Are you sure you want to do this? The principal? No. So, judging from these pictures, students, we would say that you got us good. Like, really, really good. You got us. And families, teachers, PTA, community, thank you for your incredible support with our fundraiser and participation. Really, really well done. And for anyone who missed the view, this video is for you.